Okay, so you've got your shiny new video logo and you're not quite sure what to do with it. So you have a few options. I'm currently in a free version of Canva Pro. I've uploaded my products, some editable rolling cart slides. So I've just very quickly, this is a freebie from Canva. Slight little bit of animation. I've put in my images, I've animated each one very simply, added a transition between each one. They all do a circle wipe. I can see that each one is, it's going to be a total of 22 seconds, which is great because TPT you have to limit to 2 minutes. So you could add extra slides simply by duplicating the page or adding a page, and then all you do is you simply just drop your logo in at the end. So when it plays, I'll take you back, you simply just play it through, put more information in there perhaps, and then at the end your video logo will do its thing. Now if you want to, you can also add some audio, which you'll find in the elements. So we'll just use this one because it's free, and we'll drop it in. Sorry, dropped it in at the wrong place. We might just undo that, start again. Go away you. Right, back to here. Drop in our audio track. Perfect, look at that, it'll finish, and then you've got me and you've got some audio over the top. So if you wanted to talk about your product, you can also do that in Canva. So Canva's a really great tool to use. Then when you've finished, you click on share, download. You want to download all the pages and you're going to download it as an MP4. It'll do its thing, and then you're ready just to drop that into your social media, your TPT store, whatever. Now you can do the same with a vertical. My logo I can actually use in a vertical presentation as well, but I will talk about that in a moment. Now if you want, in store I also have vertical videos which you can use for Pinterest, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, TikTok if you're a TikToker. Again, I'm using the free account. I've just used the same images, a very plain background. This is for Pinterest, so it has to be 15 seconds or less. So I've done what I did before. I've put the images on each one. I've added a transition, and I've just popped my video logo on the end, thrown a bit of music in, and then I will save that as an MP4. It's so quick and so easy, and you can save that upload, will stay in your uploads folder, which is great, so it's always there. Then again, you just share it, download all pages, download it, and there you go. You can, with the pro version, you can actually pin straight to Pinterest, which is pretty cool. If you aren't a Canva Pro user, I really honestly recommend that you join, because it's just the best. It's so easy to do covers, all your video, everything, and you can save all your branding, your branding colours, your hex codes, everything. It's fantastic. So there you go, that's your vertical, and previously we saw, so here it is in all its glory. You don't need to see all of that, and you're set and ready to go.